I better let you go. I've got some work waiting on me. Yeah, you said that already. Yep. Alright, I'll let you go. Yeah. Okay, alright, we'll talk to you later. Alright, see you, bye. 45 minutes. That's one motor mouth that needs a muffler. What is going on, guys? Well, I'm back at it again. If you've been following my channel, you know I've done sound comparisons with 4 different Cherry Bomb mufflers. I've got a Glass Pack, Vortex, Extreme, and Turbo, and I did sound tests with all those mufflers on all my vehicles. Well, I decided to go after the remaining 3 mufflers in the Cherry Bomb lineup and do the same thing with those mufflers with my vehicles. The only difference is I don't own the GMC Yukon anymore, and so instead I've got a 2003 Chevy Trailblazer with an inline 6-cylinder engine. So they just came in. I purchased these off of summitracing.com and amazon.com. That was the cheapest places I could find for these mufflers. Well, they just came in, so let's crack these babies open and take a closer look at them. All right, so let's take a look at what I got. I got the Cherry Bomb M-80, the Cherry Bomb Pro, and the Cherry Bomb Salute. Excited about all 3 of these mufflers, so let's crack them open and see how they're designed. I'm going to start with the M-80. It's 100% welded, straight through design. It's got a directional flow, so it matters how you put it on. And it's also a single chamber, just like the Cherry Bomb Extreme. It's a 19-inch overall length of muffler. The body is 13 inches. It's a 5-inch wide shell. It's aluminite steel. It's 100% welded again. And I don't know how well you can see down on the inside. It's got a couple of rings on the inside. I thought it was a 3-chambered muffler, but they're considering it a single-chambered muffler. Air comes in, hits that wing plate, comes back around, high flow muffler. I'm really excited to hear how this sounds on my V8 pickup, as well as my 6-cylinder vehicles as well. I'm curious if this thing sounds just like the Extreme. I don't think it's going to sound just like the Extreme. I think it's going to be very similar, just because of the way the body is shaped, and I'm sure that has some effect on the noise that it puts out. Alright, so that's the M-80. Alright, let's take a look at the Pro. This is basically a larger Extreme muffler. It's got 3 chambers instead of the Extreme's 1 chamber. Alright, the part number for this muffler is 7406CB. It is a 19-inch overall muffler. The body is 13 inches, and then it's got 2.5-inch inlet and outlet pipes. This again is aluminized steel. It's got a flow direction, so it matters how you put it on. It's got a wing plate on the inside, but it also has 2 small chambers. So I assume this isn't going to be as loud as the Extreme, but it is going to have a pretty aggressive sound. So Cherry Bomb claims that this is the best value in welded mufflers. So I'm looking forward to putting this on my pickup as well. I would like to hear how this sounds on my V6 Camaro. The Extreme was just a little too loud for me. Hopefully with these extra little chambers in here, it might tone down that V6 a little bit. And I may actually like this on the Camaro. I've got the turbo on it right now, which I really love, but we'll see. This has the gray finish. Obviously, it's not the same finish as the Extreme. If you can look down in there, you can kind of see the chambers that are in there. This is basically a standard body size for a muffler. It's recommended for either car or truck applications. So that is the Cherry Bomb Pro. This is similar to, I don't know, maybe the 40 series Flowmasters, but I'm curious to hear how that sounds on my vehicles. All right, and finally we're going to look at the Salute. Now this is a little bit different because it is actually made out of a different steel than the other mufflers. This is actually 409 stainless. It's obviously got a better finish than the other 2 mufflers. This particular muffler is part number SA1236. It's a 20-inch overall muffler. The body is 14 inches, and again the inlet and outlet is 2.5 inches. This is a standard muffler size. This is good for either cars or truck applications as well. This muffler is comparable to, I believe, Flowmaster's Sound FX muffler. So this thing, again, it's 100% welded. It is virtually just a straight pipe going through here. It's got a perforated tube. You see down inside there, you can see the tube. It's perforated. Basically comes in, curves, and goes out like that. So you can put it on either way. It has steel wool and they call it roving fibers. So it's got packing in here. So this is a lot like a glass pack in that it's got fiberglass type packing. It's got fibrous packing in it. It is like the Vortex in that it's got the perforated sidewalls and the packing. It doesn't have any wing plates in it, so it's not going to have that chambered sound like the Vortex. I assume this is probably going to sound similar to the glass pack just because it's similarly designed, but with the extra wide body, I'm sure the sound will be different. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but I'm excited to hear how this sounds on my pickup and again the Camaro. I wonder how that's going to sound. So overall, this thing feels a lot sturdier than the other two mufflers we looked at. It's got some pretty good welding on it, so that's the Cherry Bomb Salute. The thing I like about Cherry Bombs is they're comparable to other mufflers on the market. However, they're considerably cheaper in price. What does that mean for construction or longevity? Not sure. But the fact that these are relatively inexpensive is definitely an attractive feature of these mufflers. So if the weather cooperates and my schedule cooperates, I'll try to get these mufflers on my vehicles and do some videos with the sound tests of these 3 new mufflers. I'm back at it again. The original videos, they did very well. There were a lot of views on them. So let me know which muffler you're excited about the most out of these 3. Which one do you think is going to sound the best on my pickup, on my Camaro, and on my Trailblazer. So anyway, that is the remaining 3 Cherry Bomb mufflers from their lineup. We're going to go ahead and run these on my vehicles and see how they sound, how they compare, and look forward to working on that. So stay tuned. We'll have these videos coming out. So as always, thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll see you next time.